Ladies and gentlemen, the Dr. W.A. Vijayavardhana Gold Medal for Best Student of the Year 2023 in Business goes to Umaya Mallava.
BMS President Dr. Vijayavardhana, our Chief Guest Professor John Reist, Pro Vice Chancellor of Northumbria University, Guest of Honor Mr. Kapila Jayawardena, Managing Director of LOLC Holdings, members of the head table, esteemed lecturers, beloved graduates, friends and family. A pleasant evening to all of you. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a moment of triumph with months of hard work, dedication and perseverance. As I stand before you today, I am filled with a whirlwind of emotions. It's not easy to put into words the depth of gratitude, pride, and nostalgia that accompanies this moment. It is my distinguished honor to address the outgoing class of 2023 as one of us has faced unique challenges, yet together we have overcome them. We have grown not only as students, but as individuals, learning the values of teamwork and the importance of fostering a supportive community. A heartfelt thank you to our exceptional BMS faculty and staff. Your tireless dedication, passion for teaching, and commitment to our growth have been the guiding force behind our journey. You've not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the values of curiosity, critical thinking, and perseverance. You've been our mentors, role models, and at times even friends. Your unwavering support has made this journey both meaningful and memorable. My personal experience here at BMS has been a memorable journey, as the environment created have not only allowed us to pursue our education, but also to create friendships and find supportive friends who have been with us during this difficult time and made this journey a bit easier. Having engaged in numerous sports during my journey at BMS, it gave us the opportunity to excel beyond just books, which created a platform to learn the importance of discipline and unity. I was able to find friends who have extended beyond the basketball court or the field, enriching the college experience in many ways. The lessons learned on the court and the field, the importance of discipline and teamwork have transformed into our academic and personal lives. Now, as we step into the real world, it is essential to recognize that the challenges don't end here. In fact, a new set of opportunities and uncertainties await us. Some of us have clear plans for the future, while others may still be figuring things out, and that's okay. Saving the very best for the last. To the parents and the family members in the audience, your love, sacrifices, and encouragement have been the bedrock of our success. Your unwavering support has been a constant source of strength, and today's achievement is as much as yours as it is ours. Your belief in us has propelled us forward to this moment. Thank you for being our constant pillars of strength. As we embark on our next chapter, we carry with us the lessons you've taught us and the love that has shaped us. Here's to the ones who believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. As we venture into the next phase of our lives, I wish to congratulate the class of 2023 of Science and Business. The best is yet to come, and I have no doubt that each and every one of us will continue to make our mark on this world. Thank you and have a great evening.